Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy, and this is another quick run through of a project. We're getting ready to do some repairs, get this one listed out and sold up in Braselton. If you're hunting around, let me know. We'll get you in touch with the realtor right away. We're going to come through, and some of the exterior stuff the homeowner's already tackled. We'll go ahead and catch this gable here, this gable here. There's a dog ear right here that's rotted. I'm running out of daylight, so I'm not going to get it. There's a 5/4 board around the corner, and there's a dog ear on the right side that needs to be done. This window is the only window that we should probably go ahead and replace now. The thermopane is fogged, so we'll have to pull that window and put plywood there just temporarily while my guys make the piece. But we can go ahead and get that done. The left side gable needs to be painted as well, and then the rear of the house. The rest of the stuff is just interior flooring and paint. Some of the stuff the homeowner's done already. We'll go ahead and repaint this door, maybe crack pepper. We'll usually come in with a neutral gray floor. So we're going to replace all this old Pergo type stuff from Lumber Liquidator. All this stuff has to come out. When you clean floors like this, it's mostly cardboard, so it'll delaminate pretty quick. This homeowner's had this on the floor for 15 years, but there's nothing you can do to salvage it. And what people don't realize with this type of product, the manufacturers swap it out every year or two, so you can't come back in and spot repair. That's the whole point of it. So you got to rip it all up. We'll come in here with a neutral paint. We'll pull this TV mount out. We'll skin the ceiling up through here and sand. The customer is probably going to get to, he's painted the cabinets, so he'll put the doors and stuff back. If not, we'll do it. Through this other side of the house over here, the laminate runs through this area as well. He's got a bedroom and a bathroom and a hall over there. He's painted. We need to repaint it, so we just gave him a discounted price to do that section. Everything in here, all the walls, are going to take 2 coats of paint. I would recommend painting these balusters like urban bronze, something to make them look like wrought iron, and then paint this railing either black or black fox and get rid of the oak in here. He's got some ceiling damage right up there. And the rest of this, they're in the process of moving out, so don't hold any of this against him. But you can see in here, like this will be 2 coats of paint in here, getting this done. This carpet will get swapped out for carpet all the way up through here. You can see where somebody painted this at one point. So we go ahead and paint it anyway. Just make it look better. You can see from the inside, maybe a little bit. When you see this kind of stuff at the bottom, this is where the seals are blown. You can't see it so well on the video right now, but see this clouding right here? So we'll go ahead and change that one. It's just from the sun. It just blows the units. We make our own, so we can actually do this window in 3 to 5 days. The average turnaround in Atlanta right now is 30 to 60 days on windows like that. So again, we're coming through here. Paint, carpet. He's got ceramic tile in here, so this is just paint. In this bedroom back here, he's had some multiple leaks through here. So we're gonna hit this with microban to kill any mold, and then this is more than a spot prime. So we'll spot prime it first, and we'll prime the whole ceiling so it doesn't flash through. This will get new carpet and paint. All the stuff, when you got head sweats and stuff like this, it just needs to be 2 coats of paint everywhere, all the way through. Bathroom is here. Another bedroom here is locked down right now. This is the master in here. Like I said, they're getting ready to move out. So the guys in here will go ahead and do a primer coat on both ceilings and the walls, and then 2 coats of paint, and it'll be great. In this room in particular, some nail pops through this area, like in here. This is all from when the builders installed drywall. They're using roofing nails, cheapest subs, and so it sweats over time, the humidity in the wall, moisture, and the nails just pop out. Can't figure out exactly where these leaks came from in this ceiling. I'm thinking that there's a ridge above here, and that the ridge is damaged, the ridge shingles, or they're unsealed at the vent, and this is where you got this area in here. So we'll skim all this stuff out. There's a few areas of drywall damage around that the guys will patch this stuff and catch it. This area will get carpet. We'll go ahead and upgrade the carpet in some of these rooms to the 46 ounce that we've got in the warehouse, that we can go ahead and discount out to him, and then match the rest of it. In here, this vinyl will go to the same laminate we use downstairs. You can see the vinyl, it shrinks because there's no more asbestos in it, and so it just shrinks after about 6-8 years. And this house now is probably 15, 18 years old, somewhere in there. Paint all the way through, paint and clean it up. we'll switch back to carpet in the closet. Most people don't like laminate in a closet. I do, personally. But for resale, we'll just go back in there with carpet, paint, clean everything up, and get it done. My brother and I run a crew of 25 to 30 people. We've been doing it for 32 years in Atlanta, which is so hard to believe. We work hard. We're on every job. So he and I will be on this job. And when we fire this one up, probably in the next week, my son will be out here too, because I think he's off for school. So anyway, Andy with Handy Andy. We do a little bit of everything from handyman to full house remodel. You can catch me sometimes directly at 770-265-9017. Or you can catch us in the office at the number in the video. Take care. See you at the next house. Bye for now.